Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to remove Google Smart Lock for your Facebook account. So when I try to log in my Facebook account via this Facebook mobile app, it shows my saved Facebook login details. But sometimes this is very risk if maybe unknown person using your mobile. So anyway, if you like to disable this feature, just follow me friends. So first of all open your settings menu and then locate the settings name called biometrics and security and click to open it and scroll down. So here you can go to other security settings. So here you can locate the settings name called trust agents and click to open it. So friends, here you can note one thing, this Google Smart Lock is enabled. So due to this option, it shows that saved login details. So just click to disable it. So after I done this processes, now one more time I try to access my Facebook application because I check it. So now this time you can see, so it does not shows that Google Smart Lock feature and it only shows the Facebook login page. So finally this trick works very smoothly. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.